Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today Bobo and I are going to the Solaniwa Onsen and I think we will stay here for a few hours to experience everything in this onsen place. So let's go! The changing room is actually connected to the two areas, so you can just get changed from the entrance part of that changing room and then you come to this way and it will take you directly to the main area of the onsen. So that's wow, so cool. Looks like a sauna. Come on. Private bath time. Oh, it's pretty good. Do you think it can fit the both of us?
More than both of them.
Hey, let's try it. Yeah. See you later. Now Bobo and I are in the yard of this onsen. We did like a food spa.
Yeah.
The spa. This place is very beautiful, very good for photo taking. There are some, we suspect they are not real Japanese maple, but they look very nice. There is like a waterfall. Also people are taking photos.